The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius gave this piece of advice. Whenever you're about to find fault with someone, ask yourself the following question. What fault of mine most closely resembles the one I'm about to criticize? Because quite often, what we find displeasing about other people are characteristics which we also share, but we may not always be aware of it. It's much easier to see the faults in others than it is to see our own. Our subconscious has this very interesting way of taking the very things in ourselves which we most condemn and projecting them onto others along with whatever judgments we may have in regard to them. But if we're honest with ourselves, we'll often find that what we condemn in others are characteristics which we also have in ourselves. If we're willing to just take a moment to reflect, to have the courage to look at ourselves honestly, we can ask, do I also have this characteristic? Do I also behave in this way? Whatever it happens to be, there's a very good chance that you also have that same characteristic. And it would serve you much better to attend to that in yourself. After all, you don't really have the power to change other people. You can only change yourself. But by doing so, you become an example to others, and that may inspire them to change. But even if it doesn't, at least you've taken accountability. At least you've had the willingness to reflect on yourself and to see your own flaws, which is something that many people are unwilling to do.